Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile, back with you for another unboxing. What I have today is an interesting item. This is an HDMI audio extractor, which, you know, is fairly commonplace, been around forever. Got the instructions there. But what is unique about this one is that it is an ARC extractor too. So what it's supposed to be able to do is you would plug in your HDMI here, and then coming out the back of it, you would be able to send a variable audio signal to your sound system. I think it only works, is that it? Yeah, via the digital right here. So you have to have something that has a digital optical connection on it, which a lot of modern amplifiers and receivers do have that. According to the website, this is not variable. I don't know why. That seems kind of weird to me, but that's what it says. So I am curious how well this is going to work. If I can connect this device to my TCL Roku TV here, send the optical signal to my SMSL DAC, and then be able to control the volume of the audio with my TV remote. Because that's how ARC usually works. But I'm not sure if it does CEC. Maybe it says on there. You can probably read it and tell me. I don't know. We'll find out together. So that's that. Let's see what else is in here. Probably power. Yep. Which I'm glad it includes a power adapter. Oh, and 3.5 millimeter. These things are a dime a dozen, whoop-de-doo. But hey, it's in there. And then the simple power brick here with a barrel jack connector, not USB connector, which is okay. So yeah, this was 30 bucks on Amazon, which I thought was a decent price if it does what I'm wanting it to do. So I'm going to go right now and install this on my TV and my audio system here in my living room, see if it works, and I will post another video with my results. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee.